Welcome to Nag English tutorial, and I am Nipong with you with a new video. In this video I am going to discuss about word and sentence. Hope this video will be helpful to you. So to get clear concept about word and sentence, watch the full video without skipping. Before starting the video, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my videos first. The questions arise in our mind are what is word and what is sentence. So here is the definition of word. A letter or a group of letters that makes a sense is called word. So grouped words should have meaning and they should not be scattered. These group of letters are called words. For example, pen, monkey, ball, paper, cat, etc. To make a word, we need to keep in mind two things. Firstly, letters should be in grouped, not scattered. That means there should be no space between the letters. And second, the grouped letters should have a meaning. Like here, ENP, KENOMY, LABL, ERPAP, these are grouped letters, but these are not words because these have no meanings. But when we rearrange these letters, we get pen, monkey, ball, paper. These have meanings, so these are words. Here PEN, MONKEY, in the late letters, they are scattered letters. You can see there is a space between each and every letters. So these are not words, these are scattered letters. But when we remove the spaces, we get green colored words, pen and monkey. Here these words have meaning, so this group of letters are words. Here one letter may also be word, like I, A, etc. Now sentence. Here is the definition of sentence. A combination of words which makes complete sense is called sentence. In other words, you may say a group of words which have a complete meaning is called sentence. Here is the example of sentence. We read English, he goes to school, she has a dog. These are sentences. Here in the definition I have used a word combination. Look, in every sentences there is a combination assertive sentence, subject, verb and others. Others means maybe object, maybe complement, maybe object and complement both. Here English read we, go to goes school he, dog a has she. These are grouped words, but these have no meanings and no grammatical combination. So these are not words. These are called jumbled words. Now we have to keep in mind four things when we go to make a sentence. Firstly, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. That means when we start a sentence, we have to start with a capital letter. Then second, there is a space between two words. And thirdly, at the end of a sentence there should be a punctuation, maybe full stop, maybe question marks, maybe exclamation sign. These are punctuation, so this anyone have to there in the end of a sentence. And fourth, the words should be arranged grammatically. I have given you the assertive sentence grammatical combination, that is it. Now sentence from jumbled word. What is jumbled word? The words that have no meanings and no grammatical combination, these words are called jumbled words. Here his mother sick, found he. Here when we rearrange these words, we get he found his mother sick. In the same way, second, read we English are now. When we rearrange, we get we are reading English now. This is a sentence. Bat Raju has a. When we rearrange, we get Raju has a bat. This is a sentence. Now next, ill, he, very, is, and fifth, go, they, school, to, every day. Sixth, English, book, is, my, this. These three are the work for you. Comment me after completing this. So hope you have understand the word and sentence. If you like, share it as much as possible, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my videos first. Thank you.